Logano and Kevin Harvick. Green flag goes back in the air. 3 laps to go here at the Talladega Superspeedway.
Jimmy and Ford side by side as they hit the banking in turn 1. Second row on the inside, Alex Bowman. To the outside is Brian Scott. Kyle Larson breaks 3 wide to the outside. For the moment, nobody going with him. Here comes Matthew Logano to the rescue.
Third line breaks out. Up front, Joey Logano trying to get away with the lead. Kevin Harvick almost forced to the middle, 3 wide. Logano, Harvick, side by side for the lead of the end of the Alabama Gang Super Stretch.
It'll be Logano with the advantage by a half a car length by the time they get to turn number 3. Now Harvick with a burst of speed. He goes to the front of the field. Back and forth at the point off turn 4 at Talladega.
Charging off turn 4, back of the line to see the white flag. Joey Logano and Kevin Harvick side by side. They come back to the line.